Now, the WGAL News 8 Storm Team Forecast with meteorologist Ethan Houston.
Our weather turns more active after sunset. Be prepared for some passing showers and a few isolated strong to severe thunderstorms, especially near the Maryland line. Overall threat for severe weather is low, but it is possible. And then going through the day tomorrow, it's an impact day because area-wide we could see wind gusts up near 45 miles per hour. That's strong enough to bring down some tree limbs or cause some spotty power outages. Worst of the winds will be around lunchtime. Now, Wednesday stays windy, but the winds will not be as strong and temperatures will be cooler. Outside right now, it is pleasant and it is warm. We're talking temperatures near or above 70 degrees across much of the Susquehanna Valley. It's currently 67 in the capital city with just a gentle breeze out of the southeast. All is quiet on live Local 8 radar, and we have some robust thunderstorms right now moving through southern Ohio and into West Virginia. Got a tornado warning in effect for Charleston, West Virginia, and possibly hail upwards of the size of baseballs in that thunderstorm. Worst of the weather for us here in the Susquehanna Valley will stay off to our southwest and to the west, but it's right along US 30 and towards the Maryland line. We could get an isolated strong thunderstorm with some gusty winds. So for this evening, still dry while the sun is still up, and temperatures will be warm in the mid 60s. It's overnight tonight, and I do expect after sunset we start to see some showers approach our western counties, but it's closer to midnight. We'll have the best chance for some thunder boomers out there. Again, gusty wind, isolated strong thunderstorm will be possible. And then through the day tomorrow, it is going to be a gusty day. We're talking temperatures near average, but those winds could be strong at times. Overall threat for severe weather is low, but we're talking some storms could produce some damaging winds and some hail upwards of the size of quarters. Best chance for those, again, south of 30. But notice here we do have that wind advisory in effect for Mifflin County and back over the Laurel Highlands, where wind gusts could be in excess of 50 miles per hour. The tree pollen count will be high tomorrow. Mold count will be at a low level, and the UV index will be moderate with a burn time of 40 minutes. Made it to 70 for our high today. That's our first day we actually were above average since last Sunday. We picked up 1/100th of the rain so far from the showers that we had this morning that actually produced that rainbow that we saw in Lititz just a few minutes ago. Right now, 79 degrees if you're watching us in Gettysburg, 67 at this hour in Elizabethtown. You can see that warmth extends off to our west, but we're starting to see temperatures fall back into the 40s in Sioux Falls. So that's the cooler air that's behind this incoming storm system. So we've got that window of opportunity for strong thunderstorms off to our south and the west. We'll get a glancing blow with these passing showers and storms, and eventually high pressure builds on in. Cooler, drier air will rush in through the day tomorrow. So watch what happens here on the predictor. Notice the showers start moving in on our doorstep by 8 o'clock, but the best chance for hit or miss shower and thunder shower will be around during the 11 o'clock newscast till roughly about 2 o'clock in the morning. I do expect the winds will start picking up through the morning rush hour, and they'll be at their worst as this front moves on by. Strong upper level energy will be behind this front. That could trigger an isolated shower. It will be windy throughout our Tuesday, and the winds will stay blustery. They just won't be as strong through the day on Wednesday as high pressure builds back in. So the worst of the winds tomorrow will be around lunchtime, again, possibly in excess of 40 miles per hour, anywhere in the 30 to 35 mile per hour range for the day Wednesday. Winds will relax. We stay dry for your Thursday and on into Friday. Shower and thunder shower chances rise again to start Easter weekend, but it looks like we're drying back out for the Easter holiday. Temperatures stay warm into next week with highs in the lower 70s for next Tuesday into the following Wednesday.
Looking good. Thank you, Ethan.